Today, we're diving into the Deal4GO internal speaker replacement for Dell Alienware 17R4R5 P31E gaming laptop. This speaker set is compatible with the Dell Alienware 17R4R5 P31E series gaming laptop, and the best part? No soldering required, it simply plugs into the motherboard. The connectors are of the 4-wire 5-pin, plug-in type, providing a hassle-free installation experience. Sporting a 4 ohms impedance and 2W power, these speakers deliver a solid audio experience for gaming enthusiasts. Let's talk about the components. You get one X right speaker, one X left speaker, and one X subwoofer in each pack. The right and left speakers carry part numbers JW7R1, 0JW7R1, CN0JW7R1, PK23000UA00, while the subwoofer is identified by 8VKRK, 08VKRK, CN08VKRK, PK23000UB00. The Deal4GO speakers boast the wired connectivity technology. And being an internal component, they seamlessly integrate into your gaming setup. The subwoofer adds that extra punch to your gaming audio, making it an ideal choice for gaming sessions. In summary, if you're looking for an easy-to-install, high-quality internal speaker replacement for your Dell Alienware 17R4R5 P31E gaming laptop, the Deal4GO offering is worth considering. Enhance your gaming audio experience with this speaker set designed for gamers by gamers. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.